Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. To think in your home how to give a grammar for that. Let me first write the language, means the string that belongs to that language. It's saying that m plus n, sum of these two should be equal to sum of these two. Okay, sum of these two should be equal to sum of these two. M plus n should be equal to p plus q. So, and it is greater than equal to 1. So, how to write the strings? So, how to write these strings? So, minimum string you will get A, B, C, D. Okay, then you can have any number of A, B, then C, then D, D. The 3 equal A, B, B, C, D, D, 3 equal, like this. So sum of these two should be equal to sum of these two. Okay, ठीक m plus n equal to p plus q, m and q. अब देखिए, one thing you know that always if you generate some string, you have to generate first this AD, because you will go then inside, then you should go to AC, then you should go to, or you can go to, see, if you are generating AD, you can generate AD like this. After that, either you can go to AC, or you can go to, BD, BD, BD. Okay. After that, you will go to BC. So that you will go to BC. Here also, after AC, you will go to BC. Now see, if this way I will generate, check 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, 4, C equal. Here till B, 5, 5. See how I am generating this string. The language is saying A to the power n, B to the power, sorry, A to the power m, B to the power n, C to the power q, C to the power p, D to the power q. And they are saying that sum of these two should be equal to sum of these two. Okay, means that number should be equal to that number. So what I am doing, I am taking, if I am generating one string from here, then I am generating one string in that side. So it will get equal. If I am taking one string from here, I am taking then one string from here. So in the beginning, you know that it will go to AD only. That is fixed, that always you are going to get start with AD, because m n p q is always going to be greater than equal to 1. So always you are going to get AD, always. Then after AD, you will go in the inside. You will not go outside, because inside you need to generate. So again you can have AD, again you can have AD, again you can have AD. If you want, you can have. Now after AD, after this, you can go to BD. You can go to BD. One way is there. You can go to BD, or another way is you can go to AC. See, either you now generate AC or BD. So if some can generate BD, or another can go to generate BC. If not BC, sorry, BD. Now after BD, you are only left with BC. After that, you are bound to, after BD, or you can do BD, then you will go to BC. And here after BD, sorry, yeah, BD, here BD, here I have given BD, here I have given, so I should take some AD only, na? Let me erase. Both place I have written AAED. So here I have taken BD, then here I should take AC. Okay. So after AD, there are two possibilities. Then either go to BD or go to BC. After AC, you are only having one option: any number of AC, or BC, or any number of BC. Okay. And after BD, again you are having only one option: any number of BC. Am I clear? बताइए समझ में आया कि नहीं। स्टार्ट सिंबल जनरेट कर रहा है एडी, ठीक है, एडी एडी जितना जनरेट करना है करेगा। एक मैं सिंबल ले लिया जो ए डी ए डी करेगा, ठीक है। एक मैं ले रहा हूं जो ए सी करेगा, ठीक है। एक ए सी कर रहा है, एक बी सी करेगा, और एक सॉरी एक ए सी किया और एक ए डी के लिए भी करेगा। ए डी तो हो गया, ए डी के बाद क्या होगा, ए सी होगा। ए सी देगी, यहाँ दे दिए, ए सी दे दिए, फिर बी डी देना होगा, बी डी बी डी, फिर एक क्या होगा लास्ट में, बी सी। देखिए हम हेयर आई रिक्वायर 4 सिंबल, वन सिंबल वी रिक्वायर फॉर ए डी, another we require AC, another we require BC, and one we require BC I have written and BD. देखिए one symbol we require to generate AD, another symbol we require to generate AC equal A equal C, another we require to generate BD equal B equal D, another we require to generate BC, ठीक है। So this I am using X, same symbol I should use Y and Z, X Y Z, okay. So if BC, if you BC only at BC we can terminate, so I am writing BC. देखिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप करा रहे ताकि कंफ्यूजन ना हो। Since I want to terminate, we can only terminate inside here BC. Okay. Now after BD you are only having one options. You can go to BC. You can go to BC. So BC is generating this. You have given Z. After this you go. If you want to go, you can go to Z. Fine. After AC you can go to again BC only, in BC only. Then which is generating BC? This Z. So Z. Okay. Now similarly in the beginning you can have AD, then so AD I am writing C. AD I have written. You can, by using this you can generate any number of AD. Now you can go to, after AD you can directly go to BC, or you can directly go to AC, or you can directly go to BD. All the possibilities you can go now. After AD you can directly go to BC also. You can directly go to BC also. You can directly go to AC also. You can directly go to BD also. So all the symbols I will write X, Y. देखिए क्लियर है कि नहीं बताइए, whether it is clear or not. चलिए ये वाला किए हैं तो आप लोग फिर ट्राई कीजिएगा, ठीक है। ये सिर्फ आप ट्राई कीजिएगा, सेम क्वेश्चन रहेगा। अब मैं फिर आप लोग को टाइम दे रहा हूँ ताकि आप लोग कर पाए। ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 के लिए ट्राई कीजिएगा, ठीक है। AC जनरेट नहीं हो रहा है। अब देखिए कोई भी स्ट्रिंग ले लेते हैं, मैं इसे इरेज करता हूँ। मैं कोई भी स्ट्रिंग लेता हूँ, देखिए कैसे जनरेट होगा। I will take some string and then I will show how to generate some string from there. Okay, I'm taking it 3 B, then A N tha AB, then C, it will come C, then take 2C and 2D. See here sum of these two is equal to sum of these two. Okay, now see, first I will generate AD, this I will generate AD, then this I will generate AD, then I will go to AC, then I will go to BC. This way I can generate. I have constructed like this 3A B. Okay, then these two. So I will go to AD first, ASD, then again I will go to SA, ASD, these two, done. Now I go to AC. So AC was this. So there I should go to, in place of S I should go to AD, and since I need to go AC, so I will go to X. I will go to X. So S will go to AD, S will go to ADX. Okay, S will go to AXD, because and now I go to AC. Okay, so AA, A, X, C, D, D. Okay, so triple A, C, D done. Now since I require BC, so I will directly go to Z. A, then in place of X I will go to Z, C, D, D. Now in place of Z I will go to BC. Done. In AACD, this will not be possible because M and PQ is greater than equal to 1. So at least you require one string length at least one. Okay, हाँ, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. B you require at least one B, ये भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. A B D D because you require at least one C. So this is your gate question. So I have in the previous lecture I have taught you to do the simplification of a context free language. We have context free grammar. We have did the simplification of a context free grammar. Now after simplifying also in GATE they are asking after simplification of a context free grammar whether the power is going to be same with the previous grammar. Means let us assume this is your context free grammar G1. After simplification you got G1 dash. Now they are asking whether the power of both G1 and G1 dash is same or not. Tell me, power क्या same रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा? It is going to have same power. Very good. Okay. So after simplification also the power is going to be same. Why it is going to be same? Because we are just doing the simplification. We are removing null removal. We are doing unit production removal. We are doing useless symbol removal. All these are going to just reduce the production and reduce the symbols. But the language which was doing the previously, now also it will do the same thing. So you write after simplifying the context free grammar, the power is same. They are syntactically different, means they look different but meaning wise same, but semantically same. Same. Okay, but semantic wise it is going to be same.